Good morning everyone. Today is Sunday and that is DIY Sunday. So today I am redoing a chair and I really hope you like it. We bought all of the things that I needed for this project from Bunnings and it didn't cost that much at all. It cost us $27. That was the paint brushes and something to put the paint in as well. So I really hope you like it and let's get started. This is the before. Beautiful solid wood white chair and my cat. I am going to be sanding it back, getting it a little bit rough so that I can paint it with the new colour. Let's get into it. So this is the colour. It is a light grey and it's going to look first. I'm going to give it a light sand with some sandpaper and then we are good to paint. Time for painting! Yay!
So how much was that bottle?
That size was $18.
Yeah, cheap.
Oh, this coat of paint is done. You have to excuse the flies, it is summer here and they are sticky as. So nice grey, first coat done. Product. Isn't it beautiful? Nice colour. Really pale grey. I love it. So I'm finished. It didn't take me very long. It took me about half a day. I'm really happy with the result and I hope you really liked it. So if you do, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my DIY Sunday. Bye.